documenting straight from tonight. That's an official police helicopter, people. With his beam on. Oh my days. So Facebook, let me tell you what happened. It was a high-speed chase coming straight down this road, police chasing him, and a stupid man crashed straight into those cars down there, and then the police are there, and all of Kai, and then massive police helicopter came over the top, and he was going all around Kai, then went all the way down over to Bather, and that's pretty much what I know.